Do you know that micro SaaS business can be built, launched and scaled by a single person, and some generate over $10,000 monthly recurring revenue? These small focused products are highly profitable when done right. So are you missing out on this opportunity? Let's break it down. Micro SaaS is all about building small, niche-focused software products that solve specific problems. These products require minimal overhead, can be created by a solo developer or a small team, and generate consistent recurring revenue. If SaaS and niche product ideas excite you, please hit subscribe. I share weekly strategies to help you build smarter and more focused products. So micro SaaS is often misunderstood because of the common misconceptions. Like, it's too small to matter. Many people dismiss micro SaaS as insignificant, but small niches often have less competition but can lead to higher profit margin. Misconception number 2, you need to be a coding expert. Tools like Replit, Bubble and Webflow have eliminated the steep learning curve for non-technical founders. Misconception number 3, it's not scalable. While micro SaaS is niche focused, scalability doesn't mean reaching millions of users. It means growing within your niche while keeping your costs low. So these myths often hold people back, but in reality, micro SaaS offers a clear path to profitability with the right approach. So what is the right approach? Here are the steps. Step number 1, start with the right tools. To succeed with micro SaaS, the tools you use can make or break your progress. Here are a few must-haves. Number 1, Replit. This cloud-based IDE lets you code, test and deploy your product from a single platform. It's perfect for the solo developers who want to streamline development process without worrying about setting up servers or local environments. Like, you can build and host a SaaS product's backend API or deploy a prototype with minimal effort. Tool number 2, Bubble, a no-code platform for creating web applications. If you are a non-technical founder, Bubble can help you build a fully functional MVP without writing a single line of code. Third, Webflow. For SaaS businesses focused on design-first interfaces, Webflow offers an easy way to create stunning responsive front ends. Fourth, Stripe. You can simplify your subscription billing with Stripe's APIs, which integrate seamlessly into any SaaS product. And Zapier. Automate repetitive workflows between apps, reducing manual effort and saving time as your user base grows. So you can combine Replit for backend development with Bubble for MVP prototyping, then use Zapier to automate customer notifications or updates. That's a great step. Step number 2, solve a specific problem. Micro SaaS thrives in niches where larger SaaS businesses do not compete. So here is how you can identify and address a specific pain point. Number 1, find underserved markets. Look for niche communities on Reddit, indie hackers, or Slack groups. For example, freelance writers often need lightweight project tracking tools, a gap you could fill with a micro SaaS. And second, validate your ideas early. Tools like Google Forms or Typeform can help you collect user feedback before you can start building. Here's an example. UptimeRobot, a simple website monitoring service, targets website owners who need reliable uptime alert without the complexity of enterprise tools. By solving this one pain point, they have built a profitable micro SaaS with thousands of paying customers. So focus on creating a single standout feature that solves your audience's primary pain point instead of trying to build everything at once. Step number 3, leverage automation to scale. One of the biggest advantages of micro SaaS is that you can automate almost everything. Like customer support, use tools like ChatGPT APIs to set up automated FAQs or chatbots to handle common queries. Email campaigns, Platforms like MailChimp can automate your onboarding emails, upsells, and renewal reminders. Data management. Use Replit scripts to automate reporting or analytics and reducing the time spent on manual tasks. Here is an example. A tool like Simple Analytics uses automation to provide privacy-friendly website analytics without overwhelming its small team. So please identify the top 3 repetitive tasks in your SaaS workflow and automate them first. For example, automate your subscription reminders or user feedback collection. So here are the key to micro SaaS success. Build for a niche that you understand well or are willing to immerse yourself in. Here is a case study. Daniel Vassallo created Simple Analytics after realizing many website owners wanted privacy-focused analytics tools. His knowledge of this niche combined with direct engagement in online communities helped him grow a profitable business without large-scale marketing. Now, why this worked? Building within a niche you know allows you to create hyper-relevant solutions that resonate with your audience immediately. So immerse yourself in niche-specific communities like forums, Twitter spaces, or newsletters. Build a product based on their conversations and frustrations. So guys, Micro SaaS offers a massive opportunity to build niche-focused, profitable products without large-scale overhead. By using tools like Replit and Bubble, solving specific problems, and automatic workflows, you can create a business that's both impactful and manageable. So what niche would you target for your Micro SaaS product? Share your ideas or questions in the comments. I would love to discuss them. And if this video inspired you, please subscribe for our weekly strategies on SaaS, AI, and scaling your ideas. See you next time.